How to enter referral code on Temu app. Welcome back to the channel, and let's jump right into this video. Starting off, you need to launch your Temu application. Make sure that your application is up to date and you are logged in into your account. To use your referral code, first and foremost, select the option of the U icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, you need to tap on Coupons and Offer. In the box, enter your coupon code or your refer code, then just tap on Apply. For the alternative way, you need to head back from here. Then purchase an item of your Temu. Select the cart icon and select the item that you want to purchase and hit the checkout bubble. Select your payment method. Now make sure that you have entered your card details. Now once it is ensured, to add your referral code, you need to search for the box where it says enter code or referral codes, which will be at the bottom. Select apply coupon code. Now again enter the coupon code right here and tap on apply. If the coupon or the referral code is valid, you will see a substantial discount. Now all you have to do is simply hit on the submit order button and you'll be able to use your referral code. And it's a wrap for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.